Dan, I don't drive a lot. I did when my kids were younger, and my car's mostly in my garage. But I haven't changed. I pay the same rate as I always have. How can Metromile help me?
Yeah, you're a perfect example. So Metromile, we're digital insurer. And as you said, we're offering insurance that's tailored to you as the individual. So instead of that flat rate that you pay, we only charge you for the actual miles that you drive. So people on average who drive less than the average, which is 2/3 of drivers, end up saving about 47%. And basically, you just sign up at Metromile.com. You get a monthly fixed cost, which is a really small part of your premium that you pay, and then cents per mile. And then we connect to your car either through a device or directly with the vehicle. And then you only pay every month for your actual miles driven. And so in effect, that means that most people who drive less than the average, and especially in your case where now you don't drive, would end up saving a lot in their insurance relative to the standard fixed rate insurance.
Well, okay, I see car companies spend, the auto insurers for cars, spend a fortune advertising, and they all kind of compete against each other, really on name brand, not that much on price. I look at your growth, which is right now not as much as I'd like to see from a company, but I believe that if everybody knew about your company, there are many people who would switch. So how are you going to get the word out? Because I think a lot of people are paying too much for their car insurance.
Yeah, couldn't agree more. So it's interesting. The way that you traditionally have to sell insurance is that because all the products are largely the same, it's largely commoditized, you put your brand out there. You make sure that you're top of mind for everyone so that when they decide to switch insurance, you are one of the 2 or 3 companies that you go and look at. What's really unique about Metromile and Per Mile Insurance is that there is a reason for you as a customer to believe that by switching today, you will actually save, right? The way you live your life by being a low mileage driver means that you will save. You don't have to wait until someone decides to switch insurance. And so we have been getting the word out through the product experience itself and through a number of digital channels to be able to connect the idea of how you live your life, whether you're working from home, you take public transit, you're recently retired, whatever it is about your life that leads you to being a low mileage driver, and then connecting that idea with those savings. And what's really exciting is that once someone becomes a customer, we found that people are really excited about sharing that then with people around them, their friends and family who also drive less. And part of what drives that experience is that people join initially because they save, but they end up actually saving for more than just their initial per mile savings. So we, for instance, offer a fully automated, seamless digital claims experience. Normally you have to sit on the phone and explain what happened at the time of the claim. You can just enter this into your phone and be on your way. And what's exciting about this is not only is it easier for the customer, it actually means that our costs are lower, and that leads to lower prices for our consumers. But we also help people avoid parking tickets and diagnose car issues. And that customer experience that comes afterwards has proven to be one of the most valuable assets that we have as a company, because then your marketing becomes less about just putting the word out there or getting your brand out there. It becomes a lot more about what is the real value that we can bring to our customers. And Metromile's product, in addition to being on the
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.